In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on your iPhone in iOS. We have plenty of methods to try, so feel free to use the video chapters to skip past any you've tried already. Let's get started. We'll begin by quickly checking that Bluetooth is fully turned on. Swipe down from the very top right corner of the screen to open the control center and look for the Bluetooth icon. Make sure it is turned on here. The Bluetooth icon should be blue, and the button should be colored solid. We can also check Bluetooth is on in the settings, so open this app, then choose Bluetooth, and ensure that the toggle switch is on. If it was already on, you could toggle it off and on to see if this helps. Whilst we're in these settings, we can focus on methods relating to the Bluetooth device. Check the list of options in the My Devices section, and you should see your Bluetooth device here if it is working. It should also say connected next to it if it is currently active. If it doesn't say this, check the device is on and active, has enough battery, and is within range. You can also tap on the information icon next to it and then check that the option to connect to this iPhone is set correctly, such as automatically. These settings can differ depending on the type of device you are connecting. You can also try repairing the device here. To do this, tap on the information icon again next to its name in the My Devices section and choose Forget this device, then confirm this. You will now need to follow the method for reconnecting it. For most devices, you will need to turn on the device, then hold down the power or pair button, and then tap on it from the list of other devices on your iPhone. As this method can differ for each device, I'd recommend researching the specific method for pairing it if you're not sure. You can also do this if the device never showed as connected in the first place. You might also want to try fully powering off both your phone and the Bluetooth device and then see if they work after powering them back on. Also, double check that the Bluetooth device is not currently paired with anything else, as this could prevent it working on your iPhone. Try fully disconnecting it from there if it was. Moving on, we'll now try checking other settings that can affect Bluetooth. Firstly, and I'm sure you've already checked this, but make sure airplane mode is not turned on. You can do this in the Settings app, with the option which should be at the top of the list. You could try toggling it on and off temporarily to reset Bluetooth connections. You might need to wait a few moments before testing the device again. You could also test the Bluetooth device with Wi-Fi turned off. The next setting to check relates to specific apps. If the problem only seems to be in one or two apps, this could help. Within the Settings app, scroll down and choose Privacy and Security, then scroll down and choose Bluetooth. Check that the toggle switch is turned on for the app relating to the Bluetooth problems. If the app doesn't show here, it has not yet requested access, so you will need to keep checking within the app, update the app, or reinstall the app. Next, use the search box in the settings to look up content and privacy restrictions, or scroll down from the home page and choose Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Check that this is turned off at the top and then test the Bluetooth connection. If you can't turn it off, check within the Bluetooth specific section to make sure that Bluetooth is set to be allowed here, as well as the apps you want to use it on. The next method is to quickly check for updates on your iPhone. To do this, choose General from the Settings homepage, then Software Update, and allow it to search for new updates. If there are any, try installing them to see if this fixes the problem. I'd now recommend testing to see if you can find the cause of the problem. If you can, try connecting a different Bluetooth device to your phone. If this works, then it means your phone is working as it should, and it's most likely the specific Bluetooth device that is the cause. If that doesn't work either, it might indicate a problem with your phone, and I'd recommend contacting Apple support. You could also test the Bluetooth device you want to connect and use on another device, such as a different phone, a PC or Mac. If it works on there, again you can be confident that the issue is just with your iPhone. If it doesn't work on a different device, then your Bluetooth device is likely the fault. It could be a potential hardware fault, so you may want to check your warranty information. You could also try resetting the network settings on your iPhone, but this will require you to set quite a bit up after, such as other Bluetooth devices, all Wi-Fi connections, and cellular or data connections. If you wanted to do this, you can choose General from the settings homepage, then choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset Network Settings, but make sure it is definitely just the network settings option and not anything else. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.